Hello. I'm in Turku. I'm at Åbo Academy. We had a little geo meeting here, and I'm here with Tor. And as you probably know, the Iceland situation might lead to another eruption. So I gotta pick Tor's brain now. Tor, what's the situation right now in Iceland? Will we have another eruption very soon?
Well, the status at the moment is such that we have reached the same level of magma accumulation as we had before the last eruption. So based on that, we could have eruption anytime.
Right.
Now the difference between the situation before the last eruption and this sort of proceedings to an eruption is that the build-up has been slower. Mm-hmm. So maybe the strain build-up is also slower, which might possibly mean that the eruption might not happen exactly at the sort of the same instance as it did last time. And so instead of having an eruption imminent, we may have to wait for 1 to 2 weeks or something like that for an eruption. But it looks like we're going to end up in an eruption because inflation continues.
Yeah.
But at slower rate than ever before.
So an eruption is very likely, but it's going to be delayed, and it's not going to be potentially quite as imminent as some people think.
That's my sort of
that's your guess.
Assessment of the situation as it is now. Otherwise, there's very little seismicity, but inflation continues, and if we have an eruption, it's probably going to be very similar to what we had before.
And the location, I guess it's going to be in the same location
Most
as well,
likely.
by all what we know. So,
Probability
Tor,
is there.
that sounds great. Thank you very much for the update. All the best. Bye-bye.